This is the Marley Curved Leaf Diverter. It's the incredibly simple and stylish way to remove leaves from your rainwater, providing cleaner water to your tank and helping prevent blockages in your stormwater drains. And now I'm about to show you how easy it is to install. But firstly, let's take a look in the box. We've got the curved top, bottom, filter screen, a couple of brackets and this all-important template. You'll need to supply the screws to suit your home's cladding. Firstly, take the template and stick it to the downpipe exactly where you want the curve to go. It's a good idea to put it within easy reach for maintenance, and of course if you're on tank water, make sure it's above the top tank inlet. Give yourself about 200 millimeters clearance, top and bottom, like this, to fit in the extra brackets. Fit one bracket here and one here. That holds the downpipe good and secure and makes the next step so much easier. Now take a sharp fine-tooth saw and cut along the dotted lines. Right, we're almost there. Now put that to one side because it's got the instructions on it. Remove the top section of the curve, slide it onto the downpipe, make sure the filter screen's in place on the bottom section, pop that on down here, slide the top down. It's as easy as, no glue required. Rainwater will now flow down here, get drawn through Marley's unique filter screen, and any unwanted leaves and debris will fall off here. I'll show you how effective it is with the help of a little bit of slow-mo. Firstly without the filter screen so you can see the normal water flow. And now watch with the filter screen in place. The filtered water flows through to your water tank, or in this case, into the stormwater system with very little waste. Cleaner water in your tank means better water quality, and less debris in your drains reduces the chances of blockages. And as for maintenance, you simply slide the top section up and remove the filter screen and give it a rinse. It couldn't be easier. The very clever, very sleek Marley Curved Leaf Diverter. It's designed to fit Marley's RP80 downpipe, and adapters are available so you can fit other types of Marley downpipe too. The Marley Curve, in a choice of 6 colours designed to match the Marley Stratus design series, range of spouting and downpipes,